Hi everyone, welcome to Crystalflare. I'm Emily, and today I'll show you how to make the Crystal Rainbow Suncatcher, a vibrant piece that lights up your window with stunning rainbow reflections. Here are the materials you'll need for this project. Feel free to pause and take a closer look before we begin. Let's get started. Step 1. Layout planning. Before you start assembling, take a few minutes to visualize your design by laying all components on a tray or cloth. Place the metal ring flat on your work surface, with the hanging point facing up. Group your beads by color into 7 sets: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Arrange them in order across the ring, forming a continuous rainbow from left to right. Place the large crystal prism drop in the center bottom of the ring. Set the 2 crystal coins, or hex beads, above the ring to form the hanging chain. Tip: take a picture of the planned layout. It will help you stay organized and maintain color order during assembly. Great job setting up. Now let's move on to putting it all together. Step 2. Decorating the ring with rainbow beads. Cut a wire approximately 1.5 meters long. This gives you enough length to cover the full frame without needing to splice midway. Anchor one end of the wire securely on the lower left side of the frame. Wrap it around the frame 3 to 5 times tightly to lock it in place. Begin threading your beads following the rainbow gradient. Thread red beads first and continue with orange, then yellow, and so on through the color spectrum. After threading each bead, wrap the wire around the ring 2 full turns to secure it in place. Continue the color sequence along the outer edge of the frame until you reach the other side. Tip: for a smoother color transition, use multiple shades per color group, e.g. from dark red to bright red. Gently press the beads against the frame as you go to maintain a consistent curve and tight fit. Note: when you've completed about half of the frame, pause and double-check your work. Make sure the bead colors and quantities match your original layout. This midpoint is a good time to adjust spacing and symmetry. Ideally, the purple bead, the final color in the rainbow gradient, should sit near the bottom center of the circle. If it's slightly off-center, that's okay, as long as the overall balance still feels right. When you reach the final bead, end of violet, wrap the wire several times and cut off any excess neatly. Nice work! Your rainbow arc is now complete. Step 3. Create and attach the hanging chain and attach the crystal centerpiece. Take a medium jump ring, open it using pliers or your hand, and attach it to the top groove or loop of the crystal prism ball. Use small jump rings to link the two AB crystal coins or hex beads together. Then, attach one end of the chain to the top of the ring using another jump ring. If desired, add more decorative beads or adjust chain length depending on where you plan to hang it. Tip: you can customize this chain using different crystals or charms for an even more unique look. Connect this jump ring to the bottom center of the metal frame. Ensure it hangs directly in the middle and is not tilted. Hold the frame upright and view it from the front before tightening the ring. This helps align the crystal perfectly. Tip: if the piece feels incomplete or lacks fullness, add a few more matching beads at the start or end of your rainbow. That's it. Your crystal rainbow suncatcher is complete. This eye-catching piece is perfect for sunny windows, gifting to friends, or simply bringing cheerful color into your day. Great job following through. Thanks so much for joining me in today's tutorial. If you enjoyed this project, feel free to leave a comment and share your version with us. Don't forget to subscribe to CrystalFlare for more magical DIY ideas. Until next time, stay creative and let your light shine.